Some adolescents may have difficulty forming long-lasting relationships, and hence they get into shallow relationships. And so the question is that what do adolescents actually do during this stage? What's up you guys, Aditi, welcome back to our channel. I have already made a video on self-concept and self-esteem and the core characteristics of self-concept, and also made a video on Erik Erikson's psychosocial stages of development. So this is going to be in continuation with all of those videos. I did not actually plan on making this video, but I thought that a lot of my viewers are from 18 to 24, and this stage that was explained to us by Erik Erikson, the identity formation versus isolation stage, would be quite important for you guys to know. So I thought of making this video and elaborating on that stage. So let's begin. So like I already spoke about in the Erik Erikson psychosocial stages video, this stage, which is the identity formation versus isolation stage, is about forming your identity. Teenagers are trying to find their own identity. They're trying to figure out what is distinct, what is special about them, what is unique about them, and they can do this with great sophistication because of the cognitive abilities that they are developing. Erik Erikson did say that this stage won't be quite easy, like search for an identity. It's going to lead to some kind of psychological turmoil for the adolescents. They will encounter some kind of identity crisis as well. So the question is that what do adolescents actually do during this stage? So Erikson argued that adolescents are trying to discover their strengths and weaknesses. They're trying to understand what roles they can play really well. So they are trying to understand, and they try to put on these different roles. Like we would wear different clothes, they would try to put on different roles and see if they fit in that for their future lives. When they're actually trying on different roles, they also try to see if these roles fit in their own capabilities and the views that they have about themselves. So by doing this, adolescents try to understand who they really are, and this is how they make choices, and they narrow down their choices regarding their personal, occupational, sexual, social lives. We do know that adolescents tend to experience new things. They want to experience new things, and they can go off course and do things wrong. So adolescents at times, while trying to figure out who they are and what do they want, who they want to be, they tend to take on these socially unacceptable roles in a way to express who they are not. Whereas some adolescents may have difficulty forming long-lasting close relationships because of all of the issues that they may have had, and all of the, actually I shouldn't say issues, it's basically all the conflicts that they could not resolve in the earlier stages. I already spoke about in the psychosocial stages video about this. So due to all of these issues, such adolescents actually cannot or have real trouble forming a unified core identity for themselves. But on the other hand, the adolescents who do form a strong unified core sense of identity, so they kind of form a great foundation, a strong foundation for themselves and for their future psychosocial development. So adolescents who do form this strong identity, they have a sense of their capabilities and their unique and distinct characteristics and traits, their strengths and weaknesses. They have a sense of who they are, who they want to be, what they want to do, and they are prepared to set out on a path that takes full advantage of their strengths and what their strengths permit them to do. And that is it for today's video. I know the video was very short, but I don't want to club two approaches or two theories together. So next Friday we are going to see a continuation of this one, but not of Erik Erikson, but something related to identity, which I think would be very helpful to you guys. Anyway, so like, subscribe, and I'll see you next Friday with another psychology video.